Morning, drawing painting students. I want to go ahead and go over the agenda for today. So if you click on the screen, you'll find the agenda for what you're required to do by the end of the day. So number one, you have to identify all the values on your paper, on your drawing. Start stippling, just lightest to darkest, start from lightest and work your way to your darkest, and upload yesterday's photo and today's photo into the Google in progress slide. Okay, so here are some samples. You want to have your value chart and your gradient scale by your side as you're shading. Remember, you're using little tiny dots to create your values. Okay, the more dots you use, the darker your value, the more spaced out your dots are, the lighter the value. And here are some samples of where you're supposed to be by the end of the day. Here's a picture that was done by Hannah. Here's another one that was done by Bella. And here's a third one that was done by Alexis. So anyhow, that's all you were supposed to do yesterday, just to draw your contour lines using a number 2 pencil. Okay, so by the end of the day today, you need to go under the Google Classroom, and click under the assignment for April 29th, and download this PowerPoint to your drive. Okay, it's gonna pop up as a Microsoft PowerPoint. And then you have to go ahead, go to your drive and open it as a Google slide, so it'll allow you to edit the slide. Okay, so go ahead and include yesterday's picture for just add another slide right before April 29th, and then add yesterday's picture to it, and then add today's picture to April 29th for Wednesday. Okay, so we're going to work on this for the next couple of days, all the way up to May 1st, and then we're going to move on to your final. Okay, so if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me by emailing me. Have a great day and good luck.